This is the electrical diagram from the truck, the video I make. No start, no crank. I'm working in 2003 Toyota RAV4. My bad. 2003 Toyota RAV4. This is the cranking system, and we can see its ignition switch is involved, obvious, right? And the starter relay, and the starter. And like I showed you guys in the video, they replaced the starter brand new. And what else is involved? The park neutral position switch. And what else is involved? Clutch starter switch. Then we're gonna go inside the truck and do some troubleshooting. With the ignition switch off, the wire black and red is supposed to be 12 volts. And when I crank the ignition switch in start position, supposed to be 12 volts and the wire color red. Let's go to the car, to the truck, and let's do those kind of tests. Right, I'm connected to the black and red. Remember guys, I am inside the truck and the ignition switch. With the key off, supposed to be voltage all the time, 12 volts. You guys can see I have 12 volts battery voltage, and I have my keys over here. That means that is good. Now I need to find the red one, and when I find the red one, it's next to it. And the red cable is supposed to be nothing right now. It's supposed to be dead right now.